We are back with our first mod, baby. Welcome back to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. We got my girlfriend Sandra here today, and today is finally the video that you guys have all been waiting for. We are going to drive stick shift. But before we do that, we got a special announcement. Okay, so I need you to go ahead and open the car and look at what's in the driver's seat. It's a special surprise. Is it our first mod? Not really. It's not really a mod because it's legal. All right, wait for it, wait for it. Yes, sir, we got our license plate. We got it, tiny car. The A was taken, so we replaced it with a 4. But other than that, what do you guys think? I think it looks awesome. Look at that thing. I think it fits the car very, very well. In 3, 2, 1. Bam! And she's on. I really hope that transition was smooth. I've never done a transition like that before. We'll see how it goes. If you guys liked it, give me a like. First things first, we gotta take this car out of the garage. So here it goes. This is my time not to fail. The camera's actually rolling this time. Let's go ahead and try it. Let's try it. So the other day, I found out a cute little quirk about the MIATA. I don't know if all MIATAs do this or just this one, but this is probably the most 90s car / old car thing that I've ever seen. Okay, so try to lock the car. All right, now close the door. It doesn't lock when you try to lock it. All right, now open it again. All right, one more time. Maybe it was just an accident. All right, so it's locked. No, boy, she's staying unlocked. Does it do it on the driver's side too?
I swear it
does. Does it do it on the driver's side that's locked?
Yes.
What?
Yes.
Wait, hold on. Unlock it, let me try it. Okay, so y'all see that it's unlocked.
Yep.
Locked. Hoopty secrets!
Then how did I just do it?
It does it when it wants to.
Hold on, try it again.
Okay, one more time. It's locked, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Hoopty secrets!
Alright, let me do it. Alright, it's locked.
Okay. Hoopty secrets! What do you guys say about yourself?
But it just did it though, and I've done it plenty of times before.
Also, if you guys noticed, the finish panel, this part right here is cracked. The car was like that when we received it, and is also cracked at the very end right here. So I do plan on getting a new finish panel and restoring that, because that needs to be done. But you know, the car's 30 years old. That's pretty much my excuse for everything at the moment. All right, so if y'all have never seen a dedicated hat cam, Street Speed 717, he's the one that showed me that this is the best way to record a POV, and I just got it and I'm about to try it out. So we're gonna switch from this cam to my cam to show you guys about me trying to get this car out the garage. And just like that, we are in the POV cam. There it is. And now y'all already know it is kind of dark, so I don't know how much you guys can see. The first thing we got to do is we have to take the convertible down, because it is a convertible, and that is what you do. So good so far. Now let's get a cold start. Foot on the clutch, keys in, everything turns on. Okay, reverse. And now we slowly let off the clutch. Oh, we're doing it, we're moving. Non-existent one, come on. Got it in the open, boys and girls. We done it. Heck yeah. Back in neutral, handbrake up. I did it!
Good job.
That was nice and smooth. Wasn't too bad. Okay, so we are in the car. This is one of my first times, not first times, but I haven't done this a lot of this cam of us driving. So I hope the camera's in a good spot. I hope the audio is okay, at least. And we have the windows up to try to help. But we'll try to fix it as much as we can. And yeah, this isn't the first drive, by the way. The last video that I filmed was the first drive that I've ever done in this car, and I did manage to stall it. All right, I'm not perfect by any stretch of the imagination, but I have been driving it around for the past few days, so this is going to be less of a learning how to drive stick shift and a more of a first drive and impressions of the car video. So with that being said, let's see if we can get this thing going. All right, so we're in reverse. Not too bad, not too bad.
I feel like reversing's not that hard.
No, reversing is pretty easy. It's
Yeah.
the first thing I learned. Give it a little bit of gas, and we are off. Dude, that was like the best first gear I think I've ever done in my life, and that's literally on camera. Yeah, for the most part, driving is pretty easy for me. The only thing that I struggle with is if you're turning and you gotta slow down, you gotta downshift. Downshifts I suck at. Like, I am so bad at downshifting. Like, the whole car shakes. I know I'm supposed to give it a little bit of gas, but once again, I'm not a professional. Oh, there's a car coming. and there's the other thing with this car. If there's a car coming, even if it's from half a mile away, because I'm not fully confident yet, I'm gonna wait for that car. So anybody behind me, Jesus Christ. I'm having just as much fun, if not a little bit more fun out of this than I am the Mustang, just driving around for the past few days. You know, we stalled it, boys and girls. That was not on accident. I let go of the clutch because my foot was on it, but I forgot that I was not in neutral. So that counts. We'll have a stall meter. We will have a stall meter. There we go. I thought your second gear is a little bit shaky. Overall, this is nice. Like, it's really nice. I don't feel confident enough to be in full traffic yet, like full 100% traffic. But just going down back roads and just feeling the car, it's very, very nice. It obviously doesn't have anywhere near the power of the Mustang. But you don't need it for this car. This car is tiny, so it's cool. All right, now let's go. I think I should be in a good second. Yeah. Yep. We're getting all kinds of crazy looks. I think I get just as much attention in this, maybe a little bit more than the Mustang, which is crazy because the price difference and everything is huge. Railroad track, 30-year-old suspension, baby.
I was expecting that to be worse.
Nah, this thing handles, the suspension on it is shot. Not all the way, but I mean, for a 30-year-old car, what do you expect? There's two things to note when you own a MIATA. One, keep some sunscreen in the glove box and keep some sunglasses, because I don't have any visors. I don't know if they're supposed to come with any, but I do not have any at all. And when it gets to be sunset, I can't see anything. So that's awesome.
You good?
All right, I'm good.
Yeah.
All right, here we go, boys. Got a little bit of traffic. Smooth as butter. That wasn't, but that's fine. So what'd you think of the first drive in the car? Did I kill you?
I'm alive.
Yay! And the car's alive. The car's really dirty, but it's good. So also, with the car being dirty, that will lead us to our next video. Stay tuned. What we're gonna try to do is we're gonna try to restore this paint, all right, as a first mod, because the paint isn't in the best condition. Once again, it is a 30-year-old car, but we're gonna see what the paint condition looks like at its best, and then after that we'll make a decision on whether we need to repaint it or not. Let me know what mods you guys want me to do to the MIATA. I already have a few planned. I already have a few in mind right off the bat. But let me know, guys. Let me know if you guys have experience with MIATAs, what to do with them. Obviously stuff like oil changes and fluid changes we are gonna do. I'm gonna try to get that on camera, but I don't know. It depends on when I have time to do it. But other than that, she is running pretty good. So with that being said, guys, thank you so much for watching. Like, subscribe, and say goodbye.
Bye.
Boo-boo.